He's good. He's okay. He's alive. He's breathing.
Ay!
He's breathing. He's good.
Gisuyop na ang kuan-kun. Gisuyop na
Ang hangin.
ang hangin.
Why do you have to put this on it?
So it slides, man. Wow.
Sliced ginger.
It's intense. Yeah, because when you that's when oxidation
Mura
reduction
gisa
reaction
gisa ka
happens.
ang
Right.
air.
Ah. Kaya tungkol sa kadako naga.
Boom.
Di na.
I know how to do it. We'll do it at home.
Hoy, Jubino. Sunuga lang yung pagalingong balay. Ayaw lang akong balay.
I've seen enough. Let's
Sige.
do it.
Singalan nga.
Yung siya, bato na po na niya sa kuwa.
Ma, you're next.
Nabuang ka din ha.
What?
Oy!
Here.
Di, kapatanin lang mo ta. Imong hands.
Yeah, just be
Come on.
ready. You're literally gonna
Yeah.
shriek in pain because that's what's gonna happen to me in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, then after that.
So
There will
intense.
be the next.
Put the cup. The cup.
No, no cup. Just fix my arm and maybe my leg. Can you fix my leg?
Yeah.
Right here. It's painful.
Ala!
Well, it's not.
Arthritis?
No, it's like painful. Right here. Ow, right here.
So, hindi ba ako ng socks?
No, no, no.
Oh.
Okay na ka na?
Okay.
Is it good?
Everywhere.
Lami itong mo na ginaboy. Awang ko na.
So should I like wear shorts? Or?
So red.